Okay, what if I press play now? YouTube gets data. Das ist gut. YouTube gets data, that's good. So, now make the bot join again somehow for some reason. Ing. Hello, Slay Cat Lover. Cat Lover, Cat Lover. Where is the bot? Why is it not showing up? It says I'm live. But where's the bot now? I put it into live chat and it should be in here. It's so funny, I'm logged into YouTube dashboard, but it shows me the Twitch stuff, but everything on YouTube, it doesn't show me. Okay, bot is in here. Why does still not see? Learning bot today. Yeah, no, it's I'm just trying to fix the freaking freaking Twitch and YouTube chat windows, and somehow the mod URL verification. Go to your YouTube settings. The thing is, it's in there. I can see it. I wish I know how to code. If I would know how to code, that would be probably easier. This is what I say, but probably would be even more a pain in the butt. Holy shit. It's nothing like set. Here, reset session. Reset your session data. Why does YouTube not show up here? relink if the bot replies to pings but the dashboard is signed, your account token, the permission to read data is likely expired or broken. Go to your channel settings of StreamYard, fit the YouTube connection, click the trash can disconnect icon to remove it, click connect with YouTube and reassign. Critical, when Google asks for permission, I did that. Test. God damn it. It should be so easy. To be honest, I struggle with this for days now. It's not just like once or twice. I am literally struggling for this for days at this point. I'm switching. Twitch works fine. YouTube doesn't. Why does YouTube not show up? I toggle to Mark. I do believe at this point it's something like that. Let's see. Participant mode, anyone. Slow mode, no. Redirect, no. Monetization off. Details, I don't know. There's nothing but details. No, nothing here. Okay, wait. What if I... How the frick do I make this to like the default one? Wallet token, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, great. That doesn't work in any way, shape, or form. Look for a default that I've. What does that mean? Do I have some? I don't even have like settings in here, which is crazy. YouTube is such a bad website when it comes to streaming. Sorry to say it, but like. Wait a second. Anyone has any idea how to code? I'm a programmer, so yeah, what's the trouble? Well, the trouble is the following. So, I'm using Stream Elements, right? So, I'm using Stream Elements. I want to... Wait, what was... So, I'm on Stream Elements. I have a Twitch account and have a YouTube account. Apparently, Stream Elements is smart enough to, as long as you link both, that as soon as you make a widget, like a chat overlay widget, that it sees like the chat widget. As you can see, I made one on Twitch. It works fine. It pops up. It's in the middle of the screen here. As you can see here, this thingy here, middle of the screen. It works. It's here. But since I'm also logged in and connected and linked with YouTube, like Stream Elements is also linked my YouTube with it. It should recognize YouTube as well. So when someone messages on YouTube, it should go to the same chat window. The problem I have right now is I might have broken the YouTube Stream Elements so freaking much that I don't know, man, that it doesn't even show up on the Stream Elements dashboard anymore. Like nothing from YouTube shows up on the website even anymore. So I am beyond confusion. Why does that? And believe me, I used Social Stream Ninja. I used several extensions, several things. Do you have SE Live plugin? The thing is, I didn't. I have it. I have it, but I have it like not activated right now, I think. Let me see. Here, SE Live versions stable, most blah blah blah. Docs, activity feed, multi-chat. It's activated. So it is activated. It's just, I don't know. I see the both chats basically in my OBS, but not in the chat window on stream. That's the problem. Tools. Multi-chat. Yeah, the multi-chat is here. That's not the problem. I see both chats here, basically. I have them both. I can see on OBS, I can see both. It's completely fine. It works. It works. So the problem I have right now is that I want to show the nice looking chat window, obviously. That is on the middle of the screen right now. That also should display both YouTube and Twitch. Right now, it only does Twitch, which is a problem. Let me see if I spam a little bit on YouTube. Yeah, no, nothing here pops up. That's bad. What is the issue here? What's strange is that I'm seeing two different chats on Twitch and YouTube. Oh, yeah, sure. Let me think. Elements control center. What if I add an element right here? I say like, oh, I put, I don't know, a freaking build your own element followed. No, I don't need that. That's wrong. Gallery. Let's see, chat widgets. What if I build it directly in OBS? Is it compatible with YouTube? Yeah, of course it is. It is. Believe me, it is. I've done so many different tests. I know people believe that it's just a stupid thing or something simple to fix, but I have watched dozens of YouTube videos, tried so many different software plugins, whatever. I not just sit here and I'm like monkey hits against keyboard and is like, what the hell, nothing work. I literally tried many things. And I'm 100% sure it's so simple. I'm just at this point where I added stuff on top of it, on top of it, on top of it. So it's probably just messy at this point. It could be, it could be that it completely works if I just restart the PC or anything, but I don't know. What is this? This doesn't work. Hyperchat? What is Hyperchat? Oh, I don't need that. There's no chat window here. Alerts, themes, widgets. Widgets. There's no chat widget here, okay. I love it's always been almost an hour trying to write out Shakespeare. What? Maro, please ignore chat. Yes. I don't know, man. The things I'm seeing, at least the things I'm seeing. Okay, how to fix that? View model is on clear, chat on startup. No, that doesn't help at all. I have the multi-chat on here. Hmm. What is ground control? Does ground control might help me? Not really, I think. Companion app to manage the stream. Yeah, not quite what I need. I have this slight but sure suspicion that I won't get it fixed today. Mm. Okay, quick test. Quick test. Let's not get discouraged. What about I make an overlay real quick, like say blah blah. I make a new one. Ah, that's a chat window now. Here we have a chat window, add widgets. Your stream's chat. So okay, cool. It's immediately here. So this is working for some reason. At least I think so. Let's do a test on YouTube. Test. Never mind. Oh no, it works. It works. Okay, okay. So YouTube. So it sees it. Stream Elements sees what happens on YouTube. Okay. 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 What does it tell me now? So it happens to see that shit on YouTube. That's great. That's something at least, I guess. It's just one thing that is not inherently broken. Wait. Wait a second. I might have realized something. I mean, probably that I'm an idiot, but that's not much of an enlightenment, I would say. Can I do a test thing here on the YouTube thing here somehow? Because messages don't pop up. What pops up on YouTube is my question. Emotes don't pop up. What pops up on the stream elements that I can test on YouTube? Does anyone have like a spare account on YouTube that can follow the channel real quick? wait, no, I can actually just test it, right? I can just like act like I did thing. Activity feed. How do I test this? Emulate a subscriber event, whatever. Okay, it sees it. It works. Okay. Okay. One step closer. One step closer. Oh god, I'm so close. I'm so close. It sees the YouTube thing. Stream Elements, bot is in. We are in. This is working. This is working. So, problem now is OBS. So it's probably the CSS of the freaking OBS code that I copied and pasted 5 times and probably made a mistake along the way. I would have thought that. I mean, that is kind of unfair to pin it onto this, to be honest, but you know. If I can fix this, I will be the smartest man on the planet. Holy crap. So. How to make this scene? Okay. Okay. So. Isn't it kind of crazy that Tech Check more people are watching than when I play games? What does that say about my stream? Chat widgets, select properties, blah blah blah. Oh, this is also test. Stream Elements is seeing it. Thank you very much for the super chat, this Sculpa. Thank you very much. You are very helpful. You wouldn't have need to do this, but thank you very much. It sees it. That's great. Okay. So, chat window properties, CSS file, clean up everything. Delete, paste, refresh, current page. Okay. This is now fake stuff that gets shown, blah, blah, blah. This is just the beginning. I need to let it run through. Yeah, I don't think it shows. Only Twitch still shows. What if? Wait a second. What if I have a smart idea? God, this is so smart. You wouldn't believe how smart this is. Wait a second. This might be the smartest thing I've ever done. Settings. I need to delete that shit over here. Delete. New one. New overlay. Start. Add widget. Stream tools. Static custom. Custom widget. Kind of weird that I have fun, I guess. Settings. Open editor. Okay. HC copy. Open editor. HTML. HV. Oh, don't mess up. Don't mess up. Copy that. SAV. Copy. Oh, frick. Where am I? This is the YouTube stuff. Okay. GSA. Copy. I never thought I would mess with programmer code, to be honest. I think I'm gonna get some person from Fiverr to do this for me next time. Like, really. So this is the chat window here from YouTube. So what if I use this link now? Make it in OBS. I add a new browser source and then use it the other way around. Chat, new test. That looks great. That looks amazing, actually. And now only copy properties. Save. Test. Save. So this is the test stuff, blah, blah, blah. Wait, is that the YouTube chat? Is that the YouTube chat? What is happening over here? I'd ignore this one real quick here on this side. Oh, wait, I made the wrong dimension. Great. So, okay, cool shit. This is the YouTube chat only now, but now not Twitch chat. Yeah, this is, no, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It works in a stupid way, but it's the wrong way. Because this is now only YouTube. 1920, 1080. Because here, now this is YouTube chat. This is Twitch chat. What I want is both in one. One of those two. It's funny. Like, I'm losing my mind, but at the same time, I'm listening to very, like, happy, funny music. So I'm getting like Pavlo the dog here. If I listen to this music again, I'm immediately losing my mind again. So what if I copy this in here? This is the new test property. All in here. Please work. Why does it always do these test messages? These test messages always give me some glimpse of hope, but it's not. Go away, test message. Still only YouTube, I'm pretty sure. I'm dying. I'm using. Okay, you know what? Since we went this far, Kitsabet sent a different program now that I will try out because you know what? At this point, I'll try anything. I'll download any illegal software wherever it comes from. I don't care anymore at this point, as long as it works. You want to hear the music? It's K-pop. I can let you listen to it. Let me see. You should hear it now. Wait. I'm not sure how that works with YouTube again. Do I get a copyright strike again from YouTube if I listen to like music like that? Wait a second. You know what? Copyright free music it is. Then it is lo-fi. Oh, copyright free music. Enjoy. Sorry about that. I mean, for fixing the stream, yeah, people want to hear music, you know, so I'll let them listen to music. So, here you go. I'm not sure if you hear it, but you should hear it. Okay, so next program I downloaded here now, Caster Labs. Let's see if that works better. Caster Labs. If this works now, I'm gonna go to the toilet because I really need to pee. I really need to pee. So, Caster Labs is starting. I wonder if I can now also mess with it while I'm streaming, while I'm live. We'll see. So, we connect with Twitch. That's the first thing. Twitch, authorize. Sure, do everything. Delete my channel at this point. I don't care. So, next up, what is this? Talent is something else. Yeah, whatever. I need something else. I need more. I want to, widgets and alerts. Docs. Setting. Streamlabs accounts here. So YouTube. Connect also. Yes. Connect. Connect this one, yeah. Yes, you're allowed to do anything with my account. It is fine. Success. Okay, it is success. It's fine. You know, it's the problem is not merging the Twitch chats. I can do that. I have that. I have done it like that. That's not the hard part. The hard part is the custom looks. I want it to look a certain way. And I hope I can do that. Because right now, Caster Labs doesn't look like it let me do that. But we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, this is now connected. Great. I'm gonna make a stream chat. Great. I'll put the stream chat in here as a third window because why not? Caster Labs. Okay. It's this one. It's 1920 to 1080. Okay. Yep. Yep. that is probably right. Wait, is that now both? Is that even working? So that's Twitch on YouTube. Hello, does it work? Yeah, that's the problem. It only... No, okay, it grabs both. Okay, good. It grabs both. The problem is now it looks like shit, right? So how do we fix that? Add these. Show me how. Yeah, I did that. Okay. Chatbot. No, dashboard. Appearance. That's the problem. I think they just have fixed ones. I want specific ones. That's the problem with this, I think. Let me see. So what if I use my smart... What the hell? What's going on? I can see shit. Someone joined the Strays. Welcome. Why do you just join? This is like the messiest stream ever. Ace of Spades. I'm just trying to fix shit. Nothing working, but thanks for joining. Okay, let me think. I mean, that's actually a Google question, right? So, Caster Labs customized. Is that working? Is that even working? Because if that's not working, then that's not. Is a highly customized, free Windows-based tool designed to aggregate chats from multiple blah blah blah. It allows deep customization of chat, including custom CSS. Okay, that is what I need. Where is it? So somewhere here, I need to find the custom CSS part. What is this? Yeah, okay. Whatever. Let's make this small for now because this looks a bit better. So, settings. About, no accounts, no plugins, no about, no. It says it's highly customizable, but it somehow isn't. It is. You look at the wrong places. Do I need to fix it in OBS itself? The window. Because this is where my mind is going right now. I don't have to fix it in the Caster Labs, but in OBS. Because I have it now in here. Yeah, I added it to OBS. This is literally how it looks when I added it to OBS. See? This is how it looks. I can interact with it, but that's it. I can't see shit. Why is it so small? Should I just touch this? Will I use by nope. Okay, what are you guys talking about? Okay. Here. You can find on chat with interaction, chat, message style, text, sideways, even. God Freaking damn it. Custom CSS. I'm so confused. Free and easy. It is free, easy. Not so sure about that. If you place just okay. If you have very you can use a plugin called SESL. Once installed, you can create other SEL widget. You can pass HTML place in the. Okay, next thing. Now I need the SESL shim plugin. I downloaded like 20 programs. 20 programs just to make the freaking chat window look how I want it to. It could be so easy. I could use a black window, you know, just I don't know, a see-through window, something the default, something that like a random program uses anyway. But no, Maro wants to have a very specific thing and wants to lose his mind over his stupid ass looking freaking chat window. This is what he wants. Okay. I'm gonna die on this hill, by the way. I'll either do this or die. So, next thing, I need to download this. So, where is it? GitHub. GitHub is such a confusing site to me, I'm not gonna lie. Projects. Nope, I need releases. No releases published. Great. GitHub is not helpful. So here, this one. Okay. Found it. So download the next thing. Carry a shim. Download for the latest release. Okay. This from the latest release. Download. I really need to clean up my PC at one point. The plugin will be automatically loaded every time you open Coffin. Place the downloaded jar into the plugins folder. You can get there by Coffin. I'm going to do settings plugins. Okay. See you, F. Bye bye. See you, everyone who's leaving. I am not mad at all that you guys are leaving, believe me. So, okay, here, plugins. I'll put it in here. In this folder. Plugin is in there. Great. Next step. The plugin, I'll go to the widgets page. Hover over the SESL. Load. Okay, it is loaded. I think I might need to restart this now. Start the Castellabs. If you add it, well, you can click the low button next to fuzzy. Go to the widgets page. Hover over the plus and other. Okay. Plus other. SESL. Good. So far so good. Select the type of widget you have. Paste your shit in there. Good. Good. Okay. Chat box. Oh, okay. If this works now, okay, guys, we could be close. This could be it. I know I said it like a few times at this point, but now I actually believe it. I'm not bullshitting. At this point, this might work. Let's see. This goes in here. Goes data defaults, custom CSS in here. Data defaults goes in here. Oh, fields. Yeah, I kind of messed this up. Good that I realized it early enough. Data, custom CSS, fields. Now the JavaScript is still missing. Okay. And now the custom HTML. Copy. Okay. Did this work? Did this work? Did this work? Did this work? It looks. Is it working? Oh, might be working. I see the preview. Then the preview looks good. Oh boy. Okay. Copy link. Now put it in here. Make it work. Make it work. Okay. Second. These two away. Why is it going so fast away? It is. Okay, wait. So, does it now get both? Okay, it gets both. The problem I have now, it doesn't look exactly like I wanted it to, right? It looks similar-ish, but not exactly like it. Okay, the problem I see, and this is the problem I had before as well, was now the pictures and stuff. Okay, here is everything to the settings, color, styling. Okay, first thing, it needs to stay longer, because why does it go away so freaking fast? Test messages. So the first thing is, where do I put it? This goes away. Oh, what the hell? Old message is fading. No. Message limits. No. Okay. Appearance animation. Yeah, this looks a bit weird. This is not exactly how it should look. So, yeah, this is now a bit of a... Okay, why does it go away again? Holy shit. Do I need to update it? Properties. Refresh. Okay, now it stays. So, there's still a bit of a problem. I'm checking the mod chats. Yeah, this is the problem, because now this is... It gets it from both. That was never the issue. The issue was that I wanted it to look like this one here, basically. And why does it still fade away? That's crazy. And it doesn't show any what's it called? Any emojis or whatever. Building shows Thomas. Blah, blah, blah. External emotes. How external within Castle Labs? Oh fuck. But why why the hell does it go away so freaking fast? All the messages, did they go away so fast? Text settings, no. How long am I streaming? I'm streaming for 1.5 hours trying to fix this shit. Single emote size. Like, why do they go away? I turn it off. Messages hide in. No, they don't hide. Here we go. They hide in, I don't know, 120 seconds or something. What's the time? Oh, frick, it's so late. Oh. Is that progress? I'm not sure if I want to call that progress. Stream elements. Right. If you paste looking for ideas, that's simple. It's blah, 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 the pro way. The manual thing. Data image. All steps are progress, even the ones back. Okay, I'll try one last thing before I end for the day. I'll try to fix the code. This is CSS, then HTML is here. Copy. But kind of good news, I guess. Looking at how it's going, I'm gonna stream tomorrow properly, I'd say. Even if I have to stream with like 2 streams or something, you know? I just want to stream again at this point. And JS is here. Copy JS file. So let's see if that works. You need to bypass the scrambled logic and force it since you're using it for these steps. Oh boy. Gonna take you some time. Yeah. I hope tomorrow I have a bit more time. Today was a bit busy work-wise. Okay. So I'm using this. This a copy. Let's see if that works. Mario, do you drink something? I should drink more, that's for sure. Okay, I think I crashed it. I think I crashed it. That's great. I'm surprised that the stream is still working, by the way. Because for me, everything is frozen. I'm not sure if the stream is working, actually. Maybe I'm talking to no one at this point. I'm just gonna... Oh, it works again. This works. Here is a copy. All right. Then we put that in here. Cool, that didn't work. Did it work? Okay, it did work. Did it work? Yep, this is exactly how I imagined it, by the way. This is how I wanted it to look like. Don't make any mistakes. This is the new stream meta. You don't understand it yet, but this is how I always wanted it to be. This is how I always wanted it to look like. Right. Shit. Let's see if that works. I need to put this into here. Did that change anything? Or did it break now completely? I think it broke it completely. Cool. Okay, at this point, I think I need a clean start. I have so many different things that I messed up probably. I need a clean start with this. So let's call it for the day, I guess. I'm gonna put this real quick on and this, because then at least we have like both chats, although they are like separated, but at least there are both chats on here. Why does it have to be so complicated? I need a whole redo. I do need a whole redo. Anyway, sorry about that. I thought I just wanted to try a real quick fix, and I thought like, okay, I'm gonna start the stream for like 5 minutes and see if I can see the message from YouTube popping up in the chat. And yeah, it didn't really do that. So I tried different things, and then it went from one thing to another thing, so that this thing, blah blah, and here we are. So yeah, quick fix, right? Sorry about that. You couldn't see the wobbly cat today. I'm very sorry about that. Tomorrow, probably gonna stream. I'll spend some time, hopefully, to make it work. If not, if I don't make it work how I wanted it to work, I'm gonna use a simple chat window for tomorrow. So it's not like I'm gonna take 7 hours to try to fix it and then not stream because I'm annoyed by it. So I will stream. If I don't get it to work like in an hour or so, I'll use a simpler one. Anyway. All right. Then a 7-hour fixing stream tomorrow. To be honest, at this point, you know what? I wouldn't even be taken aback by the fact that I can stream and try to fix stuff or add stuff. You know? Why not? Why not? I feel like it has meme potential. People do that, right? People just work on Twitch as well. They don't just have fun, they work as well. So why not we? Why shouldn't we do that? Anyway, thanks for helping me out. Actually, it was helping a lot that you guys were spamming in both sides of the chats. Believe it or not, it really helped out. Because otherwise I would have always tapped out the window and have to like type into both chats and check and then refresh, whatever. You know what I mean. Point is, thank you very much. Even that you stick around for this kind of thing means the world to me. So I hope you guys are doing fine. Get some rest in, sleep, eat, wherever you are. Yeah, thank you again. See you guys tomorrow, all right? Have a nice one. What is this test for? It was a test for getting my chat windows merged, and yeah, it didn't work. Whatever. See you. Bye. Kill me.